Bonjour. Ça va? Ça va? Fine. Today, lesson 19. 19. Leçon 19. Les adjectifs. Les adjectifs. Adjectives. What are adjectives? A word which adds something to the meaning of the noun. Boy is a noun. Ground is a noun. I say good boy, tall boy, big playground. Those words, tall, big, good boy, beautiful girl, beautiful. These are all called qualificative adjectives. There are different types of adjectives. We deal with qualificative adjectives. The words which tell you something about the quality of the noun. Boy, good boy, tall boy, fat boy. Okay, girl, beautiful girl, building, tall building. Understand? Something we learned today. See, in French, it's a different concept for adjectives. We say this small, an example I have written, small boy. Boy is a noun. Okay, noun. Boy is a noun, a person. So noun, I say small boy. Small is the adjective. Scale is the noun, long scale. Long is the adjective. Wall, wall is the adjective. White wall, white is the adjective. Understand? Man, angry is the adjective. Girl, friendly is the adjective. Small boy, small is the adjective. Small. In English we say small boy, small girl, small boys, small girls. Small, 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 small. Masculine singular, small boy only. Feminine singular, small girl only. Masculine plural, small boys only. Feminine plural also, small girls only. But it's different in French. That's called agreement of adjectives. Listen to me carefully. The adjectives agree with the gender and number of the noun it qualifies. What does that mean? What I have written is wrong in English. Small boy is correct. When the small is describing a girl, it changes its spelling. The adjective changes its spelling. It also becomes feminine. Girl is feminine. So adjective should also be made into feminine by adding E. Now the small has become feminine. The girl is feminine. So adjective also should be made into feminine. This is what boys, plural. So the adjective also should be made into plural. Small boys. It's wrong in English. Small boys is correct in French. Girls, feminine plural. So first add E, then add S because it's plural. For feminine you add E, plural you add S. This is what we learned today. This is called l'accord. L'accord means agreement of the adjective with the noun. Understand? This is a small example I have given. Okay? So understand, is it clear? Small boy, when the small is describing a girl, small also should become feminine. Boys, plural, masculine plural, when the small describes boys, the small also should be made into plural. Girls, feminine, plural. When the small describes girls, small also should be made into feminine and plural. For feminine you add E, plural you add S. This is the correct way of writing in French. Petit garçon. Let's see that in English, French. Petit, 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 petit garçon, small boy. Petite fille, petite fille. Okay, because fille, you know, it's feminine singular, girl. So E should be added, otherwise it's a mistake. Grammatical error. Petite fille, garçon, boys. So add yes. Petite, same, petit garçon. The pronunciation doesn't change. Petit garçon, fille, girls. So E is added, S is added. Petite fille, petite fille, fille. Okay. This is called agreement of adjectives. Now let's see some more adjectives. So adjectives, please understand, it adds, to be very precise, adjective is a word which adds something to the meaning of the noun. Some meaning. Here we are talking about only qualificative adjectives. So the adjective is going to describe the verb. Whether the film is interesting or boring. Whether the road is busy or the building is tall or the place is crowded. Crowded place. The word crowded describes the place. You understand? Tall building, short building, beautiful picture. All these things come under heavy load, heavy. The bench is very heavy. It's a light scale. Scale is very light. This is light, heavy, all these things. Let's see some adjectives. This is number 1 adjective you have learned, 1, and I have written 9 here. Petit, you know, small. Grand, 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 big. Joli, joli, pretty, beautiful, pretty. Fort, what is fort? Strong. Oh, it is not ho, no, it is wo, just wo. O means tall, amical, amicable. What is amicable? Friendly, content, contented, happy, satisfied, happy. Lourd, heavy. It's a heavy bag. The bag is very heavy. It's too heavy to lift. Heavy. Lourd. Intelligent, intelligent. Mauvais, bad. Bad, intelligent, okay, fine. These are the few adjectives you learned today. Repeat the pronunciation. Grand, joli, not jo, no jo, it is jo, joli. Fort, not fort, it is fort. Amical, content, not content, content. Lourd, D is silent, lourd. Intelligent, mauvais, not mauvais. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 you should memorize. When I talk about a boy, grand. Girl, E should be added. Boys, S should be added. Big boys. Girls, big girls, ES should be added. Okay, all these adjectives. This is what we learned today. And être, you know être, okay? Être, what's être? To be. Ho means what? Tall. Ho means tall. So to be tall. My question is conjugate. To be tall in French. Être être, conjugation. I am going to write. See how I write? Je suis. You know être conjugation, right? Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Je suis ho. What's the meaning? I am tall. He is tall. Elle est haut. She is tall. Nous sommes hauts. See, look at this. E I have written here. She. Feminine singular. She. And she. So, tall should be made into feminine because O is an adjective. Understand? So, that's why I have added E. He, you, je. So, I don't add E because I am masculine. You. If I talk to a man, you are tall, then I need not add E. If I talk to a girl, you are tall, then I must add E. Understand? If I am feminine, then also I should add E. I am masculine, so no E. I talk to a man, Raju, so I don't add E. He, masculine, no E. She is, it is, sure it is feminine. She, singular, so E is added. We are tall. We are tall. Plural, masculine, plural. Yes is added. Who is that? O. You are tall. Yes is added. Ils sont, the group of boys, you know. Look, group of boys. They are tall. So yes is added. Masculine, plural. Look at the girls here. They are tall. Look at the girls there. They are tall. Feminine, plural. So ES is added. You understand? I have written this je suis, after conjugation only to indicate the agreement of adjectives. This is how it should be written. Okay. Now only this much you learned today. So what have you learnt? Adjectives. Agreement of adjectives. How it agrees with the gender and number of the noun. Feminine singular E is added. Plural S is added. Understand? Fine. I have written a few expressions. Salutations. Something you have learned, some expressions are new. Let's learn them. Salut. Salut. Hi. How are you? Hi. Hello. Bonjour. Good morning. Bonsoir. Bon means good. Jour means day. Good day. Good morning. Bonsoir. Good evening. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. Après-midi means what? Afternoon. Good afternoon. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. What? Good night. Nuit. Night. Good night. Ça va? Ça va? Ça va? Are you fine? What's up? Fine. Ça va? Are you fine? What's up? What's up? Fine. Bien. Fine. I am well. Très bien. I am very fine. Très. We learn. And you? I am fine. And you? Et toi. Et means and. Toi. You. This is vous. For a group or respect sake. Okay. Et toi? Je vais bien. I am fine. Et toi? And you? How about you? Are you fine? Et toi? Et toi? Et vous? Et vous? And you? How are you? À plus tard. À plus tard. À plus tard. See you later. À plus tard. Not plus. 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 À plus tard. See you later. À lundi. À lundi. See you on Monday. À dimanche. See you on Sunday. Excusez-moi. 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 Excuse me. D'accord. D'accord. Okay. Okay. De rien. De rien. Merci. De rien. You are welcome. Okay. No mention please. De rien. De rien. De rien. Welcome. You are welcome. No mention please. Bien sûr. Bien sûr. Of course. Of course. Sure. Okay. Start writing the spoken French expressions in a separate page. Some 10-15 pages. Okay. And this is what we learned today. And try to follow the English classes, it's helpful. Grammar is done in a detailed way. Try to follow if you have time, of course. Then till we meet tomorrow, au revoir. What shall I say here? What shall I say here? Bonne nuit? Okay, fine.